Let's discuss one example. Fifth one, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, cube of any positive integers. We know the positive integer 1, 2, 3 are the positive integer. Here cube of any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer, it means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on. Okay, here we have to prove cube of any positive integer in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, let a is any positive integer. A is any positive integer. Here let b equal to, I am taking 3. Why? 3 is one of the factor of 9. If in case you will take 9, b value 9, it is also correct, but it is very complicated to solve the problem. Okay, so here I am taking b equal to 3. 3 is one of the factor of 9. Okay, so from Euclid division lemma, from Euclid's division lemma, Euclid division lemma says that a equal to bq plus or. Here or is should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. Okay, so a equal to b value I am taking 3q plus or 0 less than or equal to or less than b value 3. Okay, so our values 0, 1, 2. Okay, we have 3 possibilities. Okay, so a equal to 3q, r value here 0, or a equal to 3q plus 1 or a equal to 3q plus 2. We have 3 equations. Okay, here we talking about cube of any positive integer. A is the positive integer, so cube of a cube, it means 3q whole cube. Okay, or here a cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. A cube equal to 3 cube plus 2 whole cube. Okay, 3q whole cube. 3q whole cube is 3 cube is 27 cube. Okay, or here see this equation, 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. Okay, is in the form of a plus b whole cube. We know the formula of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, so here a equal to 3q and b equal to 1. Okay, so a cube equal to, a cube means 3q whole cube plus 3 into a square. A square is 3q whole square into b. Here b is 1 plus 3 into a. A is 3q into b square. B square is 1 square plus b cube is 1 cube. Okay, this is our equation 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 3. Okay, so here a cube equal to 3q whole cube, 27 cube power 3 plus 3 into 9q square plus 3 into 3 9q plus 1. Okay, here 9 is common, 9 3 is 27, 3q square plus q plus 1. Okay. See this first equation. Here also 9 is common. 3q square. 3q power 3. Okay. This is constant. So this value I am taking m1. This is 9. This equation become 9m1. Okay. Next. See this equation. This is also some constant. So let 3q power 3 plus 3q square plus q. I am taking m2. 9m2 plus 1. Okay, is it clear? Next equation. Third equation. A cube. Equation 3. A cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Okay. So write in the form of a plus b whole cube. A cube 3q whole cube plus 3a square b. Here a is 3q whole square plus b is into 2 plus 3a into b square. B is 2 plus 2 cube. Okay. 27 9 cube. This is 3 square is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 into 2 54 q square. 3 into 3 9. 9 into 2 square 4. 9 4 36 q plus 2 cube is 8. Here 9 is common. 3 q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. So here this is some constant. I am taking m3. Okay. 9 into m3 plus 8. Okay. See these equations. Equation 1. A cube equal to 9m1. Equation 2. A cube equal to 9m2 plus 1. Equation 3. We get 9m3 plus 8. 9m3 plus 8. Okay. So see these equations. 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay. Here we get 9m1 or 9m2 plus 1, 9m3 plus 8. Generally we take m1, m2, m3. We take m, 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. Hence prove the cube of any positive integer in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay.